Choosing a cleaning company in London isn't just about picking the first result on Google. The right team can transform your home or office, while the wrong one can leave you frustrated and out of pocket. Welcome to the FastKlean channel, where we help you make smart cleaning choices. Today, I'll share 7 essential questions to ask before you hire a cleaning company, so you know you're getting a reliable professional service. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with anyone looking for a trusted cleaner in London. First, ask what's actually included. Not all companies define cleaning the same way. Second, find out if cleaners are directly employed or self-employed, as this affects training, consistency, and accountability. Third, check whether they bring their own equipment and eco-friendly products, especially if you have allergies or scent sensitivities. Fourth, confirm they're fully insured and understand what the cover includes. Fifth, ask for references from long-term London clients. Real experiences matter more than curated testimonials. Sixth, find out their process if you're not happy with the clean. A good company will fix the problem promptly. Finally, look for flexibility without being locked into a long contract, so you can adjust services as your needs change. A professional cleaning company should be transparent, responsive, and organized before they even start. Price matters, but the cheapest option isn't always the best. Quality, reliability, and fair staff treatment are worth it. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert advice on keeping your home and business spotless.